The second index law we're going to look at is a to the m divided by a to the n. So it's exactly the same as the last one, except we've got a division instead of a multiplication. Often in algebra, though, we don't see division written this way. Okay. Often we'll see it written like this, as a fraction. And it's important that we always remember that these are two equivalent ways of writing the same thing. Now the index law with these, again, says that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, or if it's written in this form, is equal to a to the power of m take away n. And this is very similar to the multiplication one. Here we had a multiplication and the two powers were added. Here we have a division and the two powers are subtracted. So just like multiplication and division are opposites, so too addition and subtraction are opposites. And to show some examples, this one here, let's take a couple of letters. Let's go t to the power of 5 divided by t to the power of 2. Well, that would be t to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3. I could write them like this, q to the power of 7 divided by q to the power of even a half. This would be equal to q to the 7 minus 1/2, or q to the power of 6.5. That's just 13 on 2. And you can even have it where the second term is bigger than the first term. In this case, I'd have r to the power of 2 minus 5, or r to the power of negative 3. Negative indices are allowed. So let's again have a look at why this is an index law. Why does it work? Well, again picking some examples. A to the 7, say divided by a to the power of 3. Well, a to the 7 is just a times a times a times a, and so on, 7 times. And a to the power of 3, oh, I don't want to write it in there. A to the power of 3 is just a times a times a. And we know with fractions like this, we can cancel things that are on the top and the bottom. So 3 of these a's get cancelled out with the 3 a's on the bottom. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, which is a to the power of 4. And of course the shortcut method. 7 take away 3 is 4. And similarly to before, the advantage of this rule, of course, is that if I've got a big number, for example, 2 to the power of 94 divided by 2 to the power of 60, well, that's just going to be 2 to the power of 94 minus 60. And 94 minus 60 is 34. So that is the second index law for division of two terms.